Thanks for downloading the Indy Music app, a full-featured, standalone music player for iPhone and iPad mobile devices running iOS. In this case, standalone means a music player outside of iTunes that allows you to play music you have purchased elsewhere, direct say from indie musicians, or by ripping your own MP3 files from CDs you've purchased, and getting those files onto your Apple mobile device to play. When you open the Indy Music Player, you'll notice it's empty, and that means we have to get some music files onto your device. There are a couple of ways to do that, and in this Getting Started video we'll explore one: downloading free music from Indy Music Sales, provided by artists that use our e-commerce software to power their web store. An alternative method is to use the Wi-Fi transfer utility built into the app, and we have a separate training video for that method. So to get started, just tap the More or Gear icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your device. That opens the settings screen, and at the bottom of the list, tap the Indy Music icon, which will launch your browser and connect your device to the Indy Music demo page. On the Indy Music demo page, you can see the demo store link in the lower left under the offer for sample music. Click on that link. You're taken to the download page where two albums are offered. One is the Bose Troubadour album with samples by 4 contemporary artists sponsored by Bose Live Music, and if you scroll down, the second is a compilation sampler album of liturgical music from liturgica.com. Select one or both albums. You can even choose individual tracks if you prefer, and then click the download button. The file download process then begins, and you can see each track as it downloads from the Indy Music server onto your mobile device. In this case, we've selected both albums to download. When the download of all files is complete, the progress window changes to completed. Click OK to close the download window and return to the main screen. You'll now see music files displayed by the first category, Artist. Tap on the Album category icon to see music listed by album. You can see the two albums we just downloaded in the upper portion of the screen. Tap on the Songs category icon to see music listed by track title. These three categories are how you access your music library outside of iTunes on the Indy Music Player. You're now ready to play some music, so let's start with the Bose Troubadours album. Tap that album to open it. You'll see all the tracks it contains displayed, and tap the first track to start playing. The play screen opens for the track being played. You can control volume with the device hard keys or by using a pinch movement across the screen. Swipe left or right to advance to the next track or go to previous tracks. The stop play control and back forward 30 seconds control are in the lower part of the screen in the gray box. Also, if you leave this screen, you'll see a green mini play control bar appear at the bottom of the display. This allows you to continue to control play when you're on other screens. Complete player user information, including playlist management, can be found by tapping the Info pane in the settings screen. Stay in touch with Indy Music Sales to get additional free music as it becomes available and to learn more about artists using Indy Music software to power their web stores. Thanks, and we hope you enjoy using the Indy Music Player.